This is a room tour of the Hampton Inn Suites in Boynton Beach, Florida. We start with our bathroom. Then we have, we get a microwave, a refrigerator. That's nice. Little area for your water and your coffee. Then we have a living room area. It's cool. And a flat screen TV. And then a little wall. Ooh, this is gonna be nice because there's another TV. So my hubby will get to watch what he wants to watch, and I get to watch what I want to watch, which is nice. Mirror closet. Okay, so here you have it. A king-size room at the Hampton Inn and Suites. Let's check out the view. Yes! Come through. We have a view of the pool. Look at the palm trees. Well, I'm excited. It's about 85 degrees here. We just got in. And we're the first room off the hotel, which is also a nice plus. But we got a big king-size bed, 2 TVs, and the bathroom over here. So far, I like it. So if you're ever in Boynton Beach, Florida, Hampton Inn and Suites. Thank you for watching.